Hey, what's going on, guys? So the video you've all been waiting for, why I'm leaving Los Angeles by the end of this month. Now, you guys already know I came out to Los Angeles about like 3 years ago. And just like everybody else, I came out to Los Angeles because I wanted to chase my dreams. Now, I wasn't an actor, I wasn't a filmmaker or anything like that, or like in any arts or anything like that. You know, I just wanted to come out to a big city and make it where lots of people have failed. I love competition. I love challenge. You know, I get really competitive with everybody, you know, because I just love going back and forth like that, and I love to say, hey, you know what, I made it. Hey, you know what, I beat it. Hey, you know, I beat you, I beat this, I beat that. So when you guys think about Los Angeles, you think about, like, you know, all the people that have come here wanting to do the same things as me, you know, wanting to reach success and wanting to beat the whole city. And a lot of people, when they come to LA, you can like feel it in their, you can like feel it in the air in some spots, especially like downtown. You can just feel the people who have come down here and have tried and have failed, or have tried and tried and tried and tried again and then failed. Trust me, when I first moved out to Los Angeles, it was super hard. It was really difficult. I was like, what, just turned 18 at the time, and I come from a town with like 13,000 people in Illinois. Now, it was a major test for me. I think that I've grown a lot from it. Definitely have grown a lot from it. And you look at the regular expectations of someone who's 21 years old, or someone who's my age, or, you know, even the friends that I used to have that are my age, they're not even on the level that I'm on. They're not even doing the things that I'm on. You know, it's like, once you put yourself in scenarios and situations that force you to level up and force you to become a man quicker, like, your whole life will change. That's why I really suggest a lot of you guys, you know, if you come from a small town like me, a suburban town with like 13,000 people, 20,000 people, you probably know how it is. A lot of people there don't really like leave the nest, don't really leave their parents' house, just leech off them and use them, go out and drink with friends, party with friends, don't really do anything with their lives. You guys gotta start acting now, and you guys gotta start putting yourselves in situations that are gonna force you to level up. I blame a lot of my success on the risks that I've taken at such a young age. I mean, one of the biggest mistakes you guys don't want to make is not becoming financially free. You're in your early 20s. The last thing you want to be is like 25, 30 years old and broke as shit, a loser, not having any money. You'll never find a wife, never find a girlfriend. Nobody wants to mess with someone who's not stable, someone who's not financially stable as well. So I'm leaving Los Angeles, and, you know, is this the end of Los Angeles? Do I still have a piece of LA in my heart? I'm not too sure yet. You know, I've done a lot of thinking. You know, LA's been nice to me, LA's been fun to me. LA is really, I consider this my home. I don't really consider where I grew up in Illinois my home, because all my growing spiritually, mentally, and like emotionally, and like all my success came out here in Los Angeles. Like, this town, the people that I ran into, all the bad people, all the evil people, all the nice people, all the people that I ran into have helped me towards my success that I've reached today. And I don't regret any part of it, because if I would have stayed home and I would have just continued with college or something like that, the mediocre life, then I'd probably be living a mediocre life right now. I probably wouldn't be where I'm at today if I didn't do, you know, those risks and put myself up against the wall. Because when your back is against the wall and you're up against the ropes fighting, dude, you'll be surprised what your body can do. You'll be surprised what your mind can have you do. So, like, with LA, I'll probably come back and visit. I'll probably say what's up. I'll probably come hang out in Santa Monica and K-Town and downtown. Go to Beverly Hills, because you guys know I love Beverly Hills. I love shopping a lot down there. But, you know, I feel like I've done what I had to do out here in LA. I feel like I've already achieved what I have to achieve. You know, I've achieved this, you know, months and months and months ago, almost like a year or two ago. I've already achieved what I came here to, you know, set in LA. I just wanted to make it. That's it. And, you know, I dwelled on LA. I sat on LA. I mean, LA is like my home now. But really, that's why I'm leaving Los Angeles.